in the middle of nowhere. Even Starlink doesn't know where we are. Where are we going?
We're going to Anza Borrego. But there's no one. No one in front of us. There's no one behind us.
It's actually very cold outside, honey. You're in tank top, I'm in a t-shirt.
It was very warm in Southern California, in Orange County.
We are here, Borrego
Spring. This little town that we saw from up high. But it's getting hot now.
Don't tell me we're eating cheese for lunch.
I don't know what we're gonna have for lunch. Cup of noodle. We're eating lunch at the visitor center. We're just so hungry. What are we making?
Scrambled eggs with
Low carb tortilla.
no carb tortilla.
And butter. You like butter, honey.
And cheese.
We're gonna have cup of noodle. Spicy.
If that cup of noodle thing
Spill on the bed.
you're in trouble
I'm in big trouble.
with yourself. Frankly, I don't care. We forgot to have salsa and all that. But oh well.
You don't want hot sauce? No?
This is dessert.
Yes.
Pineapple.
Sweet pineapple. That's sweet enough for you, actually. Right?
Very sour.
This is nice to have your own van so that you can just stop anywhere and eat when you're hungry. I didn't know it says California's largest state park.
Really?
Maybe tonight we can really watch the stars.
If it's not too cold.
True.
I forgot my jacket. That looks mighty thorny, honey.
It's called barrel cactus. Oh my god, it is so thorny. It's so beautiful.
So what are we doing after lunch?
Let's go look for those sculptures that are supposed to be pretty famous for the area here. Oh, off-road.
Off-road. We need to fix our suspension, honey.
Oh,
That's it?
one.
Yep.
We have to do for all the tires. The size of the van.
It's bigger than the van.
Just gonna drive through to see them. There's so many. There's 128 sculptures, but we're not gonna see all of them. Oh my god! Look at how cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Why is it shaking so much? Oh, this is so cute. It's like it's carrying the little baby. Oh.
This sculpture, it looks like it's a downed elephant? No, not elephant, whatever that is.
Mammoth? Is it a mammoth?
There is a serpent. Head.
And then the tail is over here. Wow, look. This is the metal. That's a lot of work. Wow. Look, these are the big pieces. They join together.
Where are we off-roading, Dar?
I want to go to those two dinosaurs over there. I think this is the way. Look. Right?
I think so.
I think so.
Hey, honey. He's smaller than you.
I know.
You can beat him.
Hey, maybe we could try BLM later and see.
I didn't invite you.
You see those vans and trailers? Where are they parking over there?
BLM?
I don't know. Let's check it out. Did I see people parking randomly? Do they just park? Or is there like a designated spot that you can park? I wonder, I don't know. Oh, let me just go straight and see.
Road splits.
Let me see.
Why are you so excited, honey?
I think there's an empty spot right here. Can we park here? Let's see. I think so, huh? That looks like it. Okay, let me back in.
Don't we have a camping site already?
We do. It's right here, but you know we have never camped at the BLM campground. Camp. What do you call it? BLM
Land.
Should I go back more or no?
Looks good.
Oh, okay. Just like this, we just park.
Yeah.
This is so cool. See, there's no neighbors. It's not like you're at a regular campground where you have neighbor left and right and behind you, in front of you.
Rattlesnake.
But you might have another kind of neighbors. Oh.
She's very afraid of snakes.
There are snakes here. What are these holes?
Snake holes? Well, what do you think? They're too small for squirrels. Are you still okay, honey? Snakes come out at night.
I just have to be careful. If you can see what I see, like there's nothing behind me. Now I know why people like boondocking out of nowhere. It's so quiet, and just feel very relaxed. I think I like this. This is how far our neighbor is from us. We have all this space for ourselves. You took a nap and the sun already set over there, so we have to cook fast and eat before it gets dark.
We don't have rosemary. We're missing a lot of stuff today.
Like always.
Oh well.
No veggie.
The worst steak is still better than the best vegetable.
I don't have any veggie.
I think the steak is a little thin. Some of yours might be well done.
Mine is very well done, I think.
Sorry, honey.
It's okay. I like it well done.
Okay.
Let me cut off the fat.
Is it seasoned up yet?
I say. So chewy.
Sorry. Mine's medium.
Not chewy.
Very good.
Well, because I like my well done anyway. But this is a little bit too well done, I think. Coors Light or Modelo?
Wow, what a great choice, honey.
Modelo?
Sure.
This lemon is pretty good. It's like drinking lemonade with alcohol. No.
What's for dessert, honey?
You know, we don't have anything, so
No cheesecake?
nothing.
No cake.
Nothing?
I'm crying.
Nothing.
What are you doing, honey?
Wanted to see if I could see anything. No?
It's pitch dark out there, right?
Dark. Well, there's some lights, some houses way out there. But no neighbor. Guess we're gonna go to sleep early.
No popcorn?
No popcorn. At least you turn on your Starlink, honey.
Yeah, so we have Netflix.
Netflix to watch.
Netflix and chill?